Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are now at Gangavathi Railway Station. Today we will be travelling from Gangavathi to Yesvantpur in Karatagi Yesvantpur Express. So let's begin the journey. Today our journey will be in sleeper class. The ticket price from Gangavathi to Yesvantpur is 335 rupees. This is AC 3 tier. It is similar to sleeper class but it has air conditioning. The ticket price from Gangavathi to Yesvantpur is 910 rupees. This is general sitting. I will mention the ticket prices in the description. Cyclone Hassan effect. There was heavy rain in Ginigera area. Due to this, there was a power outage in the Ginigera railway station. Here is Hubli Karatagi train arriving. ಟೈಮ್ ಈಗ 8 ಗಂಟೆ 18 ನಿಮಿಷ. ನಾವೀಗ ಮುನಿರಾಬಾದ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ 17 ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. The train has left Munirabad railway station. Our next stop is Hospet junction. Ballari junction. Rayadurga. Karatagi Yesvantpur Express ಈಗ 1ನೇ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. After a brief 10-minute stop, we are now departing from Hosapete junction. We have two more trains after this to Bangalore. One is Hampi Express and another one is Bidar Yesvantpur Express. We have reached Ballari junction. Train has arrived 10 minutes late here. After a long 48-minute stop, we are now departing from Ballari junction. Time is 6:41. We have reached Tumkuru railway station. The train has arrived 52 minutes late here. We are now departing from Tumkuru railway station. can see Bidar Yesvantpur Express to our left. So finally guys, we have reached Yesvantpur junction. The train has arrived 24 minutes late here. So thank you guys for watching. Video ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್.